Background music fades in. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you navigate the wild, wild world of consumer goods. Today, we're diving headfirst into the steamy showdown of the century. On my left, we have the Bissell Steam Mop, the mop that's practically a superhero for your hard floors. And on my right, we've got the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop, the mop that's so smart it probably has a PhD in cleaning. So whether you're trying to impress your in-laws with a sparkling floor or just want to avoid stepping on last week's pizza slice, we've got you covered. Let's mop it up. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell Steam Mop comes in at a cool $102, which many reviewers find to be budget-friendly and justifiable for its performance. Meanwhile, the Shark S5003D is priced at $129. While some users feel it's worth the extra cost for its advanced features, others are more price-conscious and appreciate the value of the Bissell. It's a classic case of getting what you pay for. Now, on to the cleaning power. The Bissell claims to sanitize floors and eliminate 99.9% of germs. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness on various flooring types, especially in homes with pets. Meanwhile, the Shark S5003D boasts a genius head with direct steam channeling, which many users say helps tackle stubborn stains with ease. Both products have their fans, with Bissell being lauded for its thorough cleanliness and Shark for its innovative cleaning technology. Let's get into the features. Bissell has a spot boost brush for tough messes and heats up in just 30 seconds, making it highly praised for its quick readiness and usability. Reviewers love its lightweight design and easy maneuverability. The Shark, however, features double-sided dirt grip washable pads and touch-free technology, which has garnered positive feedback for its convenience and efficiency. Users appreciate not having to touch dirty pads, making cleaning a more pleasant experience. Now let's talk design. The Bissell has a 12-inch cleaning path, which some find efficient, while others feel it could be a bit cumbersome for large spaces. Reviewers appreciate its sturdy build, but mention the handle could use more padding for comfort. The Shark, with its larger water tank and dual-sided cleaning capability, allows for fewer refills and more extended cleaning sessions, making it a favorite among those with bigger areas to cover. And now for the scent factor. The Bissell Steam Mop leaves behind a refreshing spring breeze scent, which many users adore as it adds a pleasant touch to their cleaning routine. Reviewers note that it enhances the overall cleaning experience. In contrast, the Shark opts for a no-scent approach, focusing purely on the clean feeling. While some appreciate the lack of added fragrances, others miss that fresh scent that makes their home feel inviting. Overall, both the Bissell Steam Mop and the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop have received positive feedback from users, highlighting their effectiveness and features. Bissell is often praised for its affordability and ease of use, while Shark is recognized for its advanced technology and powerful cleaning capabilities. It ultimately comes down to personal preference and cleaning needs. So there you have it, folks. The Bissell Steam Mop versus the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop. Both have their pros and cons, and it really boils down to your cleaning needs and budget. Are you a budget-conscious cleaner who loves a good scent? Bissell might be your best bet. Or are you looking for that touch-free tech and a PhD in dirt removal? Shark's got your back. Whichever you choose, just remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. Like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite mop. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Bye! Background music fades out, end screen with subscribe button and video recommendations.